ating mechanic sa ating palaro ay New Year. Lilipat lang po sila kung saan ko po sasabihin kung New or Year po ba. So let's go! Andito nga pala ang team! Let's go! New at ayun ang Year.
Practice muna, practice.
Oh, practice. New! Mabilis po yan ha. Mabilis. Pag naiwan yung paa, tanggal agad. New! Okay, ready? Oh, alam nyo naman ang gagawin eh. In 3, 2, 1. Year! New! Ay! Hati Dana! Hati Dana! 3, 2, 1. Year! New! 3, 2, 1. New! Year! New! Year! Year! Oh! Tatay! Tatay! Ano? Year! Ate Bianca! Ate Bianca! New! Year! New! Year! 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 New! Year! New! New! Ang hirap niyong ka.
Ano, gipit.
Gipit ata to mga to ha.
Malalaman mo sinong gipit.
Nay, ikaw naman tayo sa medyo. Ikaw magsabi.
New Year. Year. New Year. Year. New. New Year. New
2, 1.
Year. New.
Mabilisan to ha. Pag medyo delay, tanggal na agad.
Game.
Year! New! Year! New! Year! Year!
Wow! Gipit!
Year! Ayun!
Wow! Ala! Championship na to, championship.
Dalawa.
Dad, gawin mo ha! Manalo ka ha!
Mababawi mo yung pinangbigay mo kanina 200.
Nasa year kayo ha.
300 na gasos yan.
In 3, 2, 1. New! Year! Year! Wow!
Toy.
Year! Wow! New! Year! New! Year! Year! Dito kayo para mag-reaction niya. Dito kayo. Year! New! 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 Year! New! Year! New! New!